Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm Robert, and guys, today I will tell you every single thing you need to know about Cortexi before you actually decide to buy this product, okay guys? And guys, today you know if it's worth the money, what to buy it, how to use it, okay guys? So guys, don't skip this video at any cost, okay? And guys, please make sure to only buy Cortexi on the official website, okay guys? So avoid websites such as Amazon, eBay, and even other marketplaces, guys, because buying on those websites is a 100% chance that you will get a fake product. And guys, I don't want this to happen to you, okay? And because of that, I am leaving Cortexi's official website down below in the description of this video. Now guys, before I tell you more about Cortexi, I need to tell you why none of these treatments out there treat your tinnitus effectively, okay guys? And guys, I am pretty sure that you tried every single one of the treatments out there, okay? Treatments, medications, you know guys, alternative medicine, guys. And guys, you just spend thousands and thousands of dollars on useless medications and treatments, guys. Because guys, your doctor is lying to you, okay? The media is lying to you, guys, because the real root cause of tinnitus cannot be treated by most of the treatments out there. And let me explain you why, okay? Because according to a new scientific discovery by the University of Texas, guys, tinnitus goes much deeper than your ears. It goes inside your brain, guys. And it's all because some cells that are in your ears called cochlear cells, guys. And the cells transform sound vibrations and electrical signals that go straight to the brain, where our auditory cortex decodes the sounds, guys. But guys, the problem is that when your brain doesn't get enough nutrients, it causes these electrical signals to mess up, causing this hissing, buzzing, and crackling sounds in your ears. And that's why you have tinnitus. So guys, it doesn't matter what type of treatments you try that are available on the market, guys, you will not treat your tinnitus, okay? Because they simply don't treat the real root cause of the problem. And guys, that's why I'm here today to introduce you to Cortexi, guys, the only natural supplement on the market that really addresses the root cause of your tinnitus by regenerating cochlear cells, guys. So you'll be finally free from tinnitus. And not only that, guys, because you'll also be protected against mental diseases, okay, such as memory loss, dementia, okay guys, any kind of mental diseases. And guys, that is only possible because Cortexi has the exact combination of potent natural ingredients that are clinically proven to support healthy hearing, okay, also treat your tinnitus, boost your energy levels, increase your mental focus, and guys, get rid of all of these annoying headaches that you have. And guys, to be using Cortexi is really simple. You just have to take 10 drops of Cortexi under your tongue, okay guys, or you can pour it in a drink of your choice, either coffee, a tea, a juice, any drink of your choice, guys. But make sure to be using Cortexi every day, guys, and let Cortexi do all the work for you, okay guys, no matter where you are, guys. And day by day you will start to feel better, guys, and your tinnitus will be gone in no time. And the first few results will appear within just a few weeks, but the real and permanent results will come within 3 to 6 months, which is the recommended treatment, all right guys? And it's also the timeline for your body to absorb all the substances and start working properly. And guys, you can also be safe because Cortexi is manufactured in an FDA approved and GMP certified facility here in the US under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards available. And it's also non-GMO and not habit forming. Cortexi is a 100% natural solution, guys, and all of its ingredients have been tested for maximum purity and potency, okay? And Cortexi has changed 50,000 people's lives in the US, guys. So guys, it's totally worth a shot. But guys, let's just say that you're not completely satisfied with the results you have with Cortexi, guys. You don't have to worry, guys, because you are covered with a risk-free 60-day money-back guarantee, guys. So guys, that means that you have 2 whole months to test Cortexi, guys. And if you see no improvements, you can ask your money back and you will get every single penny of your investment, all right guys? But guys, let me tell you something, because if they are offering you 60 days to try their product, it's because they are 100% sure that you will have results with it, okay? You just have to use it every single day and you will have results in no time, guys. It's time to have the silence that you crave so much, guys, the peace of mind that you deserve, okay? So yeah, guys, that was my review on Cortexi, guys. And guys, I seriously hope that I've helped you with this review, okay? Because this was just a quick review with the most important information before you actually decide decide to buy Cortexi, okay? And guys, please make sure to only buy Cortexi on the official website, okay guys? So you'll get the official product with all its benefits, you'll get the extended 60-day money back guarantee, guys, and you'll also get 2 free bonuses, guys, that I promise you that will totally help you to improve your hearing, okay? And guys, the link is down below in the description of this video, okay guys? It's totally worth it, okay? And guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See you!